beauties. Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into something a little different, but definitely exciting, the Raquel Welch collection TRESS R829S Wig. This one features a memory cap with Vibralite synthetic hair, designed for easy maintenance and comes in an average cap size. The color I'm reviewing is R25 Ginger Blonde, a gorgeous warm tone that's perfect if you love a vibrant, natural-looking blonde. Now let's get into the details. The memory cap technology is designed to adapt to the shape of your head for a comfortable fit without feeling too tight. The Vibralite synthetic fibers are touted to look and feel more natural compared to older synthetic wig materials, which is promising because many synthetic wigs can sometimes look overly shiny or feel stiff. Maintenance-wise, this wig is supposed to be low effort, which is a big plus if you want style without too much hassle. I've been wearing this wig for a couple of weeks now, mostly during my day-to-day routines and a few outings. First off, the cap is indeed comfortable. The memory cap molds nicely to my head without any pinching or slipping. It's breathable too, which is crucial if you're wearing it for several hours. The hair itself feels soft and has a realistic texture. I especially like how the ginger blonde color blends subtle warm tones, so it doesn't look flat or artificial under natural light. Styling this wig was straightforward. It holds its waves nicely without needing heat, which you shouldn't use on synthetic fibers anyway. I did notice some slight tangling after a few days, but that's pretty standard for synthetic wigs and easily managed with a gentle brush. Overall, it stayed put well throughout my day and didn't lose shape or volume, which is impressive for a synthetic option. So, what's great here? The fit and comfort are top-notch thanks to the memory cap, and the Vibralite fibers offer a natural look and feel that many synthetic wigs struggle to achieve. The color options, especially this R25 Ginger Blonde, are vibrant and flattering. Plus, it's super easy to care for. A quick detangle and it's ready to go again. On the flip side, synthetic wigs like this one won't offer the same styling versatility as human hair wigs. You can't use heat tools without risking damage. And while the fibers look natural, they won't have that same softness or movement as real hair. Also, average cap size may not fit everyone perfectly, so if you have a smaller or larger head, you might want to check fit options. When it comes to value, the Raquel Welch TRESS R829S Wig is priced in the mid-range for synthetic wigs of this quality. Considering the advanced memory cap and the high-quality Vibralite fiber, it feels justified, especially if you want a fuss-free, stylish look without breaking the bank on human hair wigs. If you're exploring alternatives, some other synthetic wigs offer similar comfort and style, but might come at a slightly lower price point, though they may not have the same memory cap technology or fiber quality. Human hair wigs will always be pricier, but give you maximum styling freedom if that's a priority. Packaging is solid and protective, which is important for wig longevity. Since this is synthetic, longevity depends on how well you maintain it. With regular gentle care, you can expect several months of good wear before needing to replace it. I haven't had direct contact with Raquel Welch's customer service, but the brand is well established and generally praised for quality and support. By the way, if you're finding this review helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and don't forget to click that bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support really helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Wrapping up, this wig is a fantastic choice if you want an easy-to-wear, low-maintenance synthetic option that still looks natural and feels comfortable. It's especially great for anyone new to wigs or who wants to switch up their look without daily styling stress. If you have a medium-sized head and love this warm ginger blonde shade, the Raquel Welch TRESS R829S might be just the pick for you. Thanks so much for watching. You'll find the purchase link in the description or comments below. And if you've tried this wig or any from the Raquel Welch collection, drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your experience. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.